Hey everybody, it's me, and today I'm on my friend Juliana's account because she wanted me to buy her the new Clyesdale, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. And she wanted me to buy it because her PC or whatever is not working, and the parts come in, I believe. She said Thursday. I think she said Thursday. So yeah, she wanted me to buy this beauty right here, and she wanted me to name it Winter Dream. I hope Dream's on here. Winter Dream. Okay. I know this isn't my account, but I'm very scared to press it. Let me make sure that this is the... That's not what I was looking for. Making sure this is the right... Yep, this is the right horse. Okay. I'm still scared. Hold on. Okay. Whew. Hold on. That's coming. Okay, guess who can't type? That's me. But so I'm gonna go into her. I'm gonna go into her stables. I don't know English. So I had to swap a horse out, but I'm just gonna get off there. But look at it, it's so cute. No, this video commented and comment down below if you want to see more. Bye!